In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project template in Zoho Project. Project templates are a great way to save time and keep your work consistent, especially if you manage similar projects over and over again. Instead of building each project from scratch, you can set up a reusable template once and then launch new projects from it in just a few clicks. First, log into your Zoho project portal. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Projects. This is usually found in the main navigation bar at the top or on the side, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Projects. This will take you to a page where all your existing projects are listed. From this projects area, you'll see different options to manage and organize your work. Among these options, look for Project Templates. This might appear as a tab, a sub-menu item, or a link somewhere near the top of the page. Click on Project Templates to open the dedicated area where all your templates are stored or will be created. Now that you're in the Project Template section, you'll want to add a new one. Look for a button labeled New Project Template. It may be positioned near the top right corner of the screen, similar to a New Project button, but specifically for templates. Click on New Project Template to start the creation process. At this point, Zoho Project will give you two main options. You can either fill in all the template details manually, or you can browse existing template options provided within Zoho and use one of those as a starting point. If you're filling in the details yourself, this is where you define the structure of your template. Add a clear project name, and if possible, a description that explains when and how this template should be used. Then set up the key elements that you usually repeat: milestones, task lists, individual tasks, dependencies, and any default owners or due date rules that make sense for most of your projects.